वह मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है। He lives next to me. He lives next to me. उसकी हालत बुरी है। He is in a bad state. He is in a bad state. मैंने पुरानी गाड़ी खरीदी। I bought an old car. I bought an old car. मैं उससे शादी करना चाहता हूँ। I want to marry her. I want to marry her. तुमने कैसे बनाया? How did you make it? How did you make it? मैं उससे मिलना चाहूँगा। I would like to see her. I would like to see her. मैं 10 बजे वापस आऊँगा। I'll be back at 10. I'll be back at 10. और स्वाद कैसा है? How about the taste? How about the taste? मेरी टिकट खो गई है। I have lost my ticket. I have lost my ticket. मैं समझा नहीं। I did not understand. I did not understand. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया। I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. मैंने फ़ोन कर लिया है। I have already called. I have already called. मैंने अभी तक नहीं खाया है। I haven't eaten yet. I haven't eaten yet. वह जल्दी ही ठीक हो जाएगा। He will get well soon. He will get well soon. तुम मुझे उससे लड़वा रहे हो। You are making me fight him. You are making me fight him. उसे बहुत अकेलापन महसूस हुआ। He felt very lonely. He felt very lonely. मेरे पैसे चोरी हो गए। My money was stolen. My money was stolen. मैं इस योजना से सहमत हूँ। I agree to this plan. I agree to this plan. क्या आप मुझसे क्रोधित हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? कपड़े सुखा दो। Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. उसकी ट्रेन छूट गई। He missed the train. He missed the train. आप जो कहते हैं ठीक है। What you say is right. What you say is right. ऐसी बात मत बोलो। Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing. वह अच्छा कमा लेता है। He earns a good salary. He earns a good salary. मुझे गलत मत समझिए। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. मुझसे पैसे मत मांगो। Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. तुमने पूरा पढ़ लिया क्या? Did you read it at all? Did you read it at all? मैं अपने आप करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself. वह मेरे लिए मुश्किल है। It is difficult for me. It is difficult for me. वह नरम दिल वाली है। She has a gentle heart. She has a gentle heart. आपका स्टेशन आ गया। Here is your station. Here is your station. समय की नज़ाकत को समझो। Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. मैं तुमसे ज़रूर मिलूँगा। I'll surely meet you. I'll surely meet you. मैं कमरे की सफाई करूँ क्या? Shall I clean the room? Shall I clean the room? मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ। I'll make a phone call. I'll make a phone call. वह बस अभी आता होगा। He will soon come back. He will soon come back. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता। I still don't know. I still don't know. यह बात सच हो सकती है। This may be true. This may be true. मेरे पिता बहुत अच्छे हैं। My father is very nice. My father is very nice. वह बहुत पैसे वाली औरत है। She is a wealthy woman. She is a wealthy woman. उसको बहुत चोट लगी है। He is badly hurt. He is badly hurt. ये आपकी हेल्प के लिए अच्छा है। It's good for your health. It's good for your health. अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो। Complete your homework. Complete your homework. अपना खाना जल्दी ख़त्म करो। Finish your food quickly. Finish your food quickly. अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. जल्दबाजी में तुम भूल जाते हो। You always forget in haste. You always forget in haste. मोबाइल पर गेम खेलना बंद करो। Stop playing games on mobile. Stop playing games on mobile. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए। I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. मैं जॉब ढूंढ रहा हूँ। I'm searching a job. I'm searching a job. बक मत करो। Don't prattle. Don't prattle. दिमाग से काम लो। Use your brain. Use your brain. ये केवल एक सोच है। This is just a mindset. This is just a mindset. उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? Why did he quit the job? कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो गलत है। Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. किस कॉलेज से हो आप? Which college are you from? Which college are you from? मुझसे पंगे मत लो। Do not mess with me. Do not mess with me. वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to cry? What's there to cry? आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? वह बस से उतर रहा है। He is getting off the bus. He is getting off the bus. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। I did it for you. I did it for you. मेरे पास नगद रुपया नहीं है। I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. इसलिए तो मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ। That's why I'm asking you. That's why I'm asking you. वो अभी अभी गया है। He has just left. He has just left. क्या कोई ख़ास बात है? Is there anything special? Is there anything special? उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं। He is not reliable. He is not reliable. ज़िद मत करो। Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? इसलिए तो मैं जा रहा हूँ। That's why I'm going. That's why I'm going. बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. हमने वाकई में ज़िंदगी जी। We really lived life. We really lived life. शर्ट पहन लो, wear the shirt. Wear the shirt. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? आपको किससे मिलना है? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? मैंने चैन की सांस ली। I breathed a sigh of relief. I breathed a sigh of relief. आप तो बिल्कुल भोले हो। You are so innocent. You are so innocent. मैंने उससे बहुत कुछ कहा। I said many things to him. I said many things to him. वो बहुत देर बाद आया था। He had come after a long. He had come after a long. ये फ़ायदे का सौदा नहीं है। It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have said so. You shouldn't have said so. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है। I have no alternative. I have no alternative. हम बैठे हुए थे। We were sitting. We were sitting. दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है। It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ। I'm saying something. I'm saying something. उसने मेरा साथ दिया था। He had stood by me. He had stood by me. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? अच्छे समय आएगा। Better time will come. Better time will come. इन सब फाइलों को लेकर आओ। Bring all these files. Bring all these files. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? Tell me what should I do? Tell me what should I do? ये तुम्हारे लिए मेरा प्यार है। This is my love for you. This is my love for you. तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है? What do you not have? What do you not have? आज सुबह तुम लेट क्यों थे? Why were you late this morning? Why were you late this morning? वहाँ कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? मैं काम से भाग नहीं रहा हूँ। I'm not shirking this work. I'm not shirking this work. तुम ऐसे क्यों हो? Why are you so? Why are you so? तुम कब तक ऑफिस में थे? Until when were you there in office? Until when were you there in office? क्या खुशबू है? What a fragrance. What a fragrance. किस शहर में हो तुम इस वक्त? Which city are you in right now? Which city are you in right now? मैं इसका आदी नहीं होना चाहता। I don't want to be addicted to it. I don't want to be addicted to it. मैं जानता हूँ आप कहाँ रहते हो। I know where you live. I know where you live. आपके कितने बच्चे हैं? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? तुम निराश क्यों हो? Why are you disappointed? Why are you disappointed? क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ क्यों? May I ask you why? May I ask you why? मुझे भूतों से डर लगता है। I'm afraid of ghosts. I'm afraid of ghosts. वह फिल्म डरावनी थी. That movie was scary. That movie was scary. आपकी आंखें लाल हैं. Your eyes are red. Your eyes are red. मेरी आंखों में देखो. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. इस पर एक नज़र डालिए. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. मुझे हमेशा व्यस्त रहना पसंद है. I like to be busy always. I like to be busy always. ठीक है, अब मैं फ़ोन रखता हूँ. Okay, I'm gonna hang up now. Okay, I'm gonna hang up now. Please फ़ोन मत रखना. Please do not hang up. Please do not hang up. तुम मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो. You are my everything. You are my everything. उसे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. तुम थके हारे से लगते हो. You look tired. You look tired. मुझे कोई आवाज़ सुनाई दी. I heard a noise. I heard a noise. मुझे गिटार चाहिए. I want a guitar. I want a guitar. मेरी याद आई क्या? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? क्या आप लोग ठीक हो? Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? मैं तुम्हें हमेशा प्यार करूँगा. I will love you forever. I will love you forever. मैं तुम्हें खोना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you. उसे सबक सिखाने की ज़रूरत है. He needs to be taught a lesson. He needs to be taught a lesson. वह अपने कमरे में रो रही थी. She was crying in her room. She was crying in her room. मैं हर साल जाता हूँ. I go every year. I go every year. मुझे ये वाला पसंद है. I like this one. I like this one. मुझे उल्टी आ रही है. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. वह खबर सुनकर हैरान रह गई. She was very surprised at the news. She was very surprised at the news. कॉल करने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling. तुम इस मामले से दूर रहो. You stay out of this. You stay out of this. आज मेरा नसीब अच्छा है. I'm lucky today. I'm lucky today. कोई है क्या? Is anybody here? Is anybody here? आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. मैं मुश्किल में हूँ. I am in trouble. I'm in trouble. ध्यान से चुनो. Choose carefully. Choose carefully. ये तो ठीक नहीं है. That isn't fair. That is not fair. आपसे बहस करना बेकार है. It is useless to argue with you. It's useless to argue with you. यहाँ कैफ़े है क्या? Is there a cafe? Is there a cafe? वह बहुत बोलती है. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. आसपास कोई नहीं है. Nobody is around. Nobody is around. नहीं, मैं नहीं गया था. No, I didn't go. No, I didn't go. ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. तुमने मुझे डरा दिया. You startled me. You startled me. उसे कुछ कम खाना चाहिए. He should eat a little less. He should eat a little less. मुंह मत बनाओ, डोंट मेक फेसिस, डोंट मेक फेसिस। आओ हमारे साथ बैठो, कम एंड जॉइन अस, कम एंड जॉइन अस।